Hello guys, today we're going to fix this Itel. This one is an Itel A513W and it is powering on, but it does not have display light, it does not have backlight display. And I want to show you something here. Yeah, it is just powered on, but there is no backlight display. You can see the name Itel there. You can see Itel here, somewhere here. Look at it keenly. See? So it's powering on. If one can power on, yes, but it does not have display light. Let us go step by step and learn how we're going to fix this kind of device. Still powering on, and I want it to continue booting until it completes the booting process. There we are, Itel, and there we are, Itel. You can see it on the background. Yeah, it has completed the booting process. Now you're having a black screen. So let us open it. We're going to open it. First of all, remove the battery. Its model is A513W. We have unscrewed it already. After removing the screws, remove this plastic shield, plastic housing. And we have already tested another screen and deduced the screen is not the problem. And we want to move forward and try to troubleshoot it. Try to find where the problem might be. So first of all, detach the camera and the touch screen. So you remove the camera and safe keep it far away. Then remove this switch. You have removed the switch. Then we move the next step, whereby we are going to unplug this motherboard, remove it from the frame. We have already detached the screen, remember? We'll try and observe this one. So by our previous knowledge, it is so easier for us to understand where this the light IC is. But before we jump to light IC, we are going to observe this connector keenly. Try to find where either there is an open circuit or it is corroded. Those are the two most common problems that may bring about light problems on a phone. So this one is the light section. This one here. I'll show you correctly. See this one? This here whatever you're seeing here is the light section. I'll show you properly. This is the light chamber or the light unit. We're going to take some measurements here. Try to find the faulty component here. Okay, so we grab our multimeter. So we grab our multimeter like that and try to find out whether there is some short here. No short. Is there continuity here? Yes, there is continuity. There are short here, no short. Open line and continuous line. This is the negative part of the of the diode, the positive part of the diode. So we are going to have to test this one. Diode seems to be okay. And test this one. Test this one thoroughly. I'm going to test this coil. You see, there is no continuity. There is no continuity in this coil. And that is not good news. The first thing we are going to change here is the coil. There is no continuity in the coil. So we are going to replace the coil, because a boost coil, ought to be continuous so that it can help bring enough voltage to power on a device. So we are going to remove this coil and replace it. Okay, there is some poor connection to our display here. So let me show you something here. Remember, while heating, you be very careful and considerate. You can see the way I've put my nozzle, it is pointing away from other main components. So concentrating on whatever we want to remove, which is this boost coil, we remove it quickly and safely. Just going to get a donor coil here. We're going to get a donor coil here straight away and try and replace it. Just get a donor coil here. We are going to get donor coil from this. Yeah, we've just removed it, and here we are. And this is the bad one. Remember, a coil does not have directions. So we are going to replace it like that. Easy peasy. Place it like this. That, and let's take some measurements. As you can see, there is a topic that we have talked about, boost coils, and a boost coil is a continuous loop. It is a continuous coil inside this thing. So there is a coil inside this thing. If it breaks or if it melts, it is going to cause an open circuit. You can see there is no continuity. There is no continuity on this boost coil. Let us measure with this one that we've just replaced. Here, we do have continuity. We do have continuity. So we believe that our phone has been healed, unless otherwise there is another component that is problematic. So let us assemble it, do a test, quick one. Quick one. And like this. all of you. So believing our phone has been healed, we are going to do a quick test. And here we are. Voila, our screen is back to life. So this is just a 10-minute job, but before you do this kind of business within the 10 minutes, the said 10 minutes, you'll have to do a lot of practice, a lot of studies, so that you can be able to troubleshoot and know where exactly the problem might be. So you don't pay me for my 10 minutes work, you're going to pay me for the years of practice, the 10 years of practice, not 10 minutes job. If you have a problem with your phone's display light, link is on the bio, the number is on the bio. Please check and bring us your devices, we will fix them. Thank you. Welcome.